In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Toolbar in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome and create a new tab. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser window. Opening a fresh tab is important because this is where Chrome shows the customization options that are tied to the new tab page. If you are already in Chrome, this should only take a moment. Once the new tab is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the page. You will see an option labeled Customize Chrome. Go ahead and click that. This opens the customization panel, which is where Chrome lets you adjust parts of the browser's appearance and layout. After the customization panel opens, look through the available sections and select Toolbar. This is the area where you can manage what appears in the Chrome toolbar and control how certain tools are shown. Choosing this section takes you to the settings specifically related to the toolbar, so you can make changes based on how you like to work. As you are doing this, it is helpful to remember that toolbar customization is all about convenience. A well-organized toolbar can save time and reduce clutter. Take your time as you review the toolbar options in that panel. Small changes can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient Chrome feels during daily use. That covers everything you need to know.